right, boys and girls, my sister in Beckham called me, so I had to stop the video for a second. So we're gonna have two parts to this video. It's how it goes when you're working from home. So we said that this picture was 3 feet, 1, 2, 3, or 1 yard. So if you remember, my estimate was 4 feet and the actual measurement was about 3 feet. Now we're gonna go, and it says to do toy box, but we're gonna do the window next. Okay, so we're gonna measure from here to here for the window. So here's your the ruler, so the foot. How many feet do you think this window is? I'm gonna say 2. Okay, I'm gonna say 2 feet. Let's see, 2 feet. Oh, wrong again, Miss Holler. It's 3 feet. Look, 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet. And remember, 3 feet is in 1 yard. So let's go back over. I guessed about 2 feet. Ooh, look at that crazy 2. And it was more like about 3 feet or 1 yard. All right, our last one, we're gonna just do number 6. We're not gonna do number 7. Number 6 is the door. All right, let's go to the door. Okay, so I want to know how many feet our door is. How many feet? Which probably isn't the best thinking about it. It's probably not the best way to measure the door. So I'm gonna change that so it's not feet to it, so it's yards. So how many yards do you think this door is gonna be? About. Let's look. Here's 1 yard. There's 2 yards. Well, not quite 3 yards. Maybe we could say 2.5 yards, okay? So, on our paper, we're gonna have to do a little switching around here. Instead of doing feet, we're gonna do yard and yard. Sometimes you see it like this too. It's abbreviated like that. I'm not sure I said anything, so I'm gonna say I said 3 yards, and it actually was about 2.5 yards. Remember I told you today it's not gonna be perfect. We're not building any houses today. We're just trying to look at the difference between feet and yards. Okay, we should be on page 654 on number 8. It says, the length of Sydney's tennis racket is 2 rulers long. How many feet long is Sydney's tennis racket? So here is 1 ruler, and there are 12 inches in there, okay? So it's 2 rulers, so how many feet would that be? It would be 2 feet. Her racket is 2 feet long. I'm gonna do a challenge. So how many inches is 2 feet? So remember, this is a little challenge. There are 12 inches in 1 foot, plus 12 more inches in another foot. So there are 24 inches and 2 feet. Okay, number 9, Gabriella is 2 inches taller than a yard. How many inches tall is Gabriella? So we said that there are 12 inches in a yard, right? I'm sorry, 12 inches in a foot. So there are 3 feet in a yard. So the first part of our yardstick, remember the yellow part, would be 12. And then 12 again. And then 12 again. And then it says that she's 2 inches taller, so we have to do 2 more than that. I wonder if you remember back and I told you how long a yardstick is. Think about it. If you need to stack this up, you can. I like to add it 10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. So mine is 38 inches is how tall Gabriella is. Our last one, we don't have to do the hot problem today. Whoop, whoop. Number 10. The pool at the park is 18 feet wide. How many yardsticks would it take to measure the width of the pool? So if we think about this pool, as how long that pool is, it is 18 feet. Okay? So we know that 3 feet equals how many yards? 1 yard. Okay? Well, 3 feet isn't 18 feet. We got to keep going. So if we doubled it and we did 6 feet, that would equal 2 yards. If we doubled that, or we added 3 more, another yard to that would be another 3 feet. That will be 9 feet. That equals 3 yards. Next, we would have to do 4 yards. And what would 4 yards be? 9 plus 3 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will be 12 feet. I'm going to continue down here since we're not using that today. Now we need to get, that's not enough because look, we're only at 12 and we're trying to go to 18 feet. If we add another yardstick, that would be 3 more feet. So 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 feet is equals 5 yards. Now 15 isn't enough. We're trying to go to 18 feet, right? So we have 15, and we add 3 more feet because 3 feet are in 1 yard. So 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 feet is the same as 6 yards. So how many yardsticks would it take to measure the width of the pool? It would take 6 yardsticks to measure that. Another way you could figure that out is if you wanted to, you could also use 6 times 3 equals 18. Or the even more challenge way could be 18 divided by 3 equals 6. All right, so just leave right there. Boys and girls, we do not have any math homework from the book today. The only math homework you have today is to do 2 piggy facts and freckle. So you do not have to do page 655 and 656. Bye, boys and girls.